Imagine earning $100 a day with barely any effort. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're diving into the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. If you want a way to grow your income without losing your free time, keep watching. This could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's be real, we all have a ton going on. With rising living costs, an extra stream of income can be the difference between comfort and struggle. Lazy money-making methods give you the freedom to earn without an exhausting grind. So, here are some easy ways to make it happen. Quick question. Ever wondered why it feels like everyone else is making easy money online? Let's make sure you're not left behind. 1. Online surveys and micro-tasks. First up, online surveys and micro-tasks. Companies like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars pay you to give feedback. Just grab your phone, fill out a survey or two, and earn while you're relaxing. It won't make you rich, but it's great for quick, easy cash. 2. Print on demand. Think custom t-shirts or mugs with catchy phrases. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle everything for you. All you need to do is upload a design. Imagine waking up to new orders and passive income. That's what we're after. By the way, how cool would it be to see your design walking around town? 3. Affiliate marketing on social media. Affiliate marketing is another easy win. Promote products you love with a unique link and earn whenever someone buys through it. Even if you're just starting on Instagram or TikTok, you don't need a huge following, just genuine engagement. Passive income through a single link? It's simpler than it sounds. 4. Renting out your stuff. Have a camera, bike, or even tools you don't use often? Rent them out. Sites like Fat Llama let you earn cash by loaning out items collecting dust. It's one of the easiest ways to earn cash from things you already own. 5. Selling digital downloads. Finally, selling digital downloads. Create something simple, like a budgeting spreadsheet or checklist, and list it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Every time someone downloads it, you earn. No inventory, no hassle. This is truly passive income at its finest. Now, these are all solid ways to start, but there's one essential tip to make sure this income is sustainable. Stick with me for the final insight. The real secret to lazy income? Consistency. These methods are easy, but they still need some dedication up front. A little effort today can lead to big rewards tomorrow. Want more ways to grow your income? Check out my video on top passive income streams for beginners. Start today, and future you will thank you. See you in the next video.